What's up, curly crew? Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know a quick way to make your curls more defined and tighter. This is just going to give you a tighter look. I already have our Hold Me cream gel in here, so I just wanted to demonstrate. I'm going to just spray some water to activate the product, right? And I just want to show you, this is what it does. This is like just what the product does, my hair does. But if you want it tighter, you're just going to help the curl pattern and you're just going to twist it with your fingers, so it's just going to make it tighter and it's just going to definitely define the curl. So what you do, you just let it air dry, and after you let it air dry or you diffuse your hair, make sure you lap the ends. You take some serum of some spray that you might have, some oil, put it in your hands, and then you just open the curls and just style it, shake it off a little bit, and this is a way to just get a tighter, more defined curl. Make sure you like and follow for more.